things that go bump in the night.
What the? Jesus!
Me,
Jerk.
Sam B.
Okay.
Shrunken head, broken legs, body parts on the concrete. Cut 'em up, butcher style gators in the swamp. Red light, leave 'em dead, running like a track meet. Scared of nobody.
You know who I am. Give any idea who you're fucking talking to. Or maybe you saw me in the playoffs. I played for the fucking goddamn champions.
Cooking meat, cannibal trying to eat.
I got a zombie army, and you can't harm me.
Hey,
Yeah,
watch it.
You voodoo, bitch. Drink blood like a vampire without warning. Who do you voodoo, bitch? Stand up. Sam B got the thing that go bump in the night. Whoa. Who do you voodoo, bitch? Hide your kids, grab your wife, better get out of sight. Who do you voodoo, bitch? Let's go.
Sam B to Papa Shango, I'm buried some maybe. Handful of fingertips, toss them up like confetti. Stay full of corpse bitches, I'm a pimp of the dead. Come fuck with a
Another
zombie, I
drunk
put a
jerk
stake
off
in
who
your
thinks
head.
it's God's
Look,
kid.
you want ghouls, I got fucking
Stupid
spoon.
git.
Maybe everybody dies and see your ass real soon. Crack bones to the mirror, hot sauce and they suck it. Now my juju ain't nothing to fuck.
Sir, looks like you've had enough. What's your room number? I'll make sure you get there safe and sound.
Stand up. Sam B got the thing that go bump in the night. Who do you voodoo, bitch? Hide your kids, grab your wife, better get out of sight. Who do you voodoo, bitch? Let's go.
Excuse me, lady. Are you okay? Can you hear me? What are you doing, sir? This is the woman's restroom.
Sam B can't harm me. Who do you voodoo, bitch?
Excuse me, sir. Are you okay?
Who do you voodoo, bitch?
I rip your arms off with my bare hand.
Bump in the night. Who do you voodoo, bitch?
Yeah. Smack your mama with it.
Who do you voodoo, bitch?
Aduku tigalluutaaqarpaan 3DS Playstation tigalluarti.
Dead Island Definitive Edition.
Alianaattoqimmis pillilaaleqpuga. Long time no see.
Oh, man. I used to be on top of the world, brother. All-pro quarterback 4 years running. Voted the sexiest Texan in 2004. Yeah, man, I beat out Dennis Quaid and Matthew McConaughey, for Christ's sake. Yes, I drank a few beers now and then, popped the occasional pill. That's nothing compared to what the team quacks should shoot me up with just so I could play. And sometimes I just need to numb the pain, you know what I'm saying? My biggest vice was speed. No, not meth, buddy, adrenaline. I blew every penny I had on the fastest cars I could find. Just so you know, I'm a damn good driver. If that asshole I was street racing hadn't sideswiped me, I never would have crashed. That poor girl would still be alive. That's right. That's right, it's his goddamn fault I shattered my leg in 6 goddamn places. So I had a few drinks in me, so what the fuck? I drive drunk better than I do sober anyway. Of course, couldn't play worth shit after that. After I got out of jail, I canned my ass, said I violated the morals clause in my goddamn contract. Ended up playing semi-pro in fucking Canada. But I'm still a name. Oh yeah, I'm still a celebrity. That's why they wanted me to promote their blood drive here. That's why they fucking flew me first class halfway around the goddamn world. Because my name still means something. Logan Carter is no goddamn douchebag.
Ayun kita na skinning this. Kisha may atas pila. Long time no see game. Dava. Ano siyang natiyong bilang ni ko matiyong? Asak silang nakamin ni ko po tama ni Sompertorsuungilangersiloruyoonga massakkersitungeruttoramas pillersinnaava.
Follow signs to the nearest staircase. For safety reasons, all elevators are off.
Amom tuqua.
Let me open this puppy up.
Kumidaqqarlunga.
This is Hotel Emergency Broadcast System. Please leave your apartment immediately. Follow signs to the nearest staircase.
Sukuyuppamma. Owen.
Offline. Please remain calm and follow the instructions of the hotel personnel.
Amilluatingoqqaisassuung hassaalianattu spilli ersinarpallaangikkalu. Marianato lontanosi. Yeah. No reason. Okay, tässä on aktussaasimusungaana.
Immediately. Follow signs to the nearest staircase.
Akanasi.
Follow the instructions
Something
of the
good in
hotel
here?
personnel.
No. Sudisakpatangulanga pissutingalongos pillitaamattussaarami uputtukutuupa.
This is Hotel Emergency Broadcast System. Please leave your apartment immediately. Follow signs to the...
Tama, tingoqqalariarlugin.
Yeah!
Yeah! Holy. Look, you
See you through the camera. Feeling alright, mate? The shakes? Fever? Chills? Good. I'll introduce myself later. Right now, we gotta get you the hell out of there. Do exactly as I say, okay? You're gonna have to trust me. First, you need to get hold of a weapon. Search in the maintenance storage room by the end of the corridor. I would move if I were you. Now.
Something good in here?
Yes. Mahojikko. Kiportikko sunniluornuupuin. Kiportimunulariarlungu. Attat. Attangoq. Spilli. Ammersinarnuularnussu. Tastituuan. Tava. Pik. Ubu-gudubu.
The lifeguard said no. You heard what he said. You hear what's going on out there? You won't go inside here?
I'm doing it. No! Didn't I bloody tell you?
Now stop! Wait! Hey! Can you hear me? Do you understand what I'm saying? Nod your head! Nod your bloody head!
I ain't asking you again. Oh, thank God. I'm a doctor, not a bloody executioner.
Sweet man, Jesus. Do you know how close we came to bashing your head in?
Fuck, I should have never listened to Sinamoi.
Ayushang Ryujiru.
Those things came for us, and Sinamoi went out to kill them alone.
They say you Chichoka?
Eat your vegetables! God, what if he's dead?
Can anyone hear me? Anyone?
Why won't anyone help him? We can't just let him die out there. He saved your life. You owe him your life. Help him! Please! He's the only one protecting us.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
You're not gonna help him. Get the hell out of the way.
You at least have a weapon? You need to find a weapon.
Don't let him die. Don't let him die.
All right. This is fucking crazy. On 3. 1, 2, fuck it, 3!
It's the only way to kill him!
What? Shoot. What's up, dude?
That's the last one? Okay then. Thanks, mates.
Are you there? Hello? Can you hear me? Shit. Hello?
We were just attacked. Listen, your friend from the hotel's awake. You were right about him being immune to this thing. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have made it. Maybe now we can hold out until help arrives.
There is no help. This thing can't be stopped. I saw how it took my wife.
You need to get out of there, and I can help you. I can arrange for transportation, by air, by sea, but first you need to get here, to me.
I have many sick and injured here, mate. They're crazy with fear. Tell me where you are. Where are you? You there, mate? Hello? Hello? Oh, God damn it. You didn't think you were gonna make it.
No thanks to you.
Getting better at this.
Privatisering I
found you. You beat up pretty bad.
Skin rapport. İngilizce. Online yêu được thì nặc tội.
Name's John Sinamoi.
I'm the head lifeguard here. The voice on the radio told me you were in trouble at the hotel. Said you were resistant to whatever this is. I didn't believe it. Then I found you and I saw the bite marks. You got no symptoms, but those aren't love bites, are they? Look, I don't know who you are or how you know that guy on the radio, but he's our only connection with the outside world. We keep losing the bloody signal. We have a monsoon coming. So here's the thing. We need to move everybody to the main lifeguard station. There's an ambulance there and more equipment and a stronger radio with an antenna. I hate to ask, but we can't do this without you. Will you help me?
No, I'm not.
Yes. Good. First off, we need an access card to get past the security gate. Mine's in my room. With all the commotion, I forgot to take it with. It's in Bungalow 11, by the pools. Take a weapon and watch yourself. You may be immune. That don't mean you can't die.
Spiller jeg sikkert svare. Bam! 누르셨어, 이거. 석재 빌려야 있고 딱 보시. 낚시나가 맞고. 누르셨지. 누리링 랭아. 누르셨지.
Oh, what do we got here?
오긴. 시콘. 주리에스. 하이. Hello there, Patty. How are you today? Barry? Wala anak si Nana, kaya narangan lang. Mga tamo pagkaching. Slow motion. Come on, man, regime over mumps.
You like that, asshole?
Yep. No, sure. One more time. 자꾸야 맞다 뭐. Cool. Samperniaruussunga nunerissaatik pisariaqarpallaan. Skinnia taasiinnaangamia kunnakkami. Levin qullersaqqaarlunga tailuatissinnaangussoo. Ngalai. Hop! Hop! Sumakakay no sa atin. Lockpick, Yukone. Meron na nakso. Tomorrow we know the shoot down. Tapos bigli naktajinyak na kaya kasi.
Fuck you!
Two! Ambay no diraksok po nga.
Somebody's having a bad day.
Oh, God.
What's up, dude?
My wife. My dad. Oh, fuck, my own fucking brother. Jesus Christ. What else could I do? Let him kill me? Why are you looking at me like that? What the fuck do you want from me? I had no choice!
Thank you.
Oh, God.
Oh, yes. Ooh, I love it. What was that? Cause help.
I'm sorry. What else could I do?
A knife!
This is Roger Howard on a special assignment on the island of Banoi. I'm investigating illegal logging and clear-cutting that's not only damaging the ecosystem here, but costing the people of Banoi billions. I've been told that my life might be in danger as those behind this illegal activity will stop at nothing to protect their criminal enterprise. As a precaution, I will be leaving a trail of recordings wherever I go, so that if something were to happen to me, the truth would still be told. I'm leaving now to meet with an informant who I believe
Sorry?
rip the lid off of this investigation.
Question mark? How? Oh, nandipilakso. Hey, ho! Hey, ho! Hey, ho! Oh, mas pili. Taksi lang na ako narok. Taksi ng Neros. Die! Die, motherfucker!
What the hell is wrong with this place?
Zombie land, welcome. Nè, xong tên nhân nên người đang ở số biệt cư. Yep. G. Thank you, my money. I'm back.
Man, this hell looks just like paradise.
No joke. ruangan. Disusun doon. Masih macam ni daw. I'm back.
You can't wait. If those things come in force again, this straw hut won't last 20 minutes. You did it? All right. Thanks to you, we might all just make it. We are not safe here, mate.
This is the end of days. Judgment Day.
We need to move.
No, just a moment.
It's in the Book of Revelations.
Why the hell did I stay here with Sinamoi? I should have listened to Maggie and left with James and the others. They probably found a way off the island by now. Maybe there's still time to find them. If you're out there and you see Maggie and the others, could you let me know where they are? I don't think so, no. All right, I know it's my fault for staying, but god damn it. This is not fucking fair.
No. Su. Nadaktar na po. Kung nisnas na po yung naksaksmasis na masibay. Bye-bye.